Hey, it's Will from TDG here. Now, if you saw my last video, it was around a Power Apps application that I created for some friends at Microsoft. I just wanted to show you how I've enhanced the user interface and user experience of this. So now you can see from the screen that I've got this nice little welcome landing page that when I click start, will kick off a process loading some variables to allow for a smoother transition throughout the app. Once again, we have a bit of a change on how the app looks. It's a bit of a nicer user interface and user experience. Straight away, you can see a rather haggard William. But what I've done here is actually created a unique menu option here. So I click on that, and it overlays an opaqueness to the back to stop distractions. And it also gives you a bit of a menu option here. But I'll collapse that for now. We can draw into that a bit later. You can see that there's a camera icon here. So I click it. It captures the image. You'll notice the border changes color and there's a slight film over the top of this. So just to show you that again, currently it's blue. I click it, it captures it, and you see this red border and a rather interesting shot of me. What I can do is click next. I've also put a front and back camera there, where in case you're using your phone and you want to capture the rear view of the camera, or you want to do the selfie mode. Then we can select next. That sends it off to my flow, does that response back, and processes it through the face machine learning and AI. We've got the menu here as well. Got this extra logo, but we'll click through to the diary. So some changes I made to the diary was I wanted to make sure it was more of a natural experience. So when I click the plus icon, you actually enter it now within the diary itself. And I can state something along the lines of having fun showcasing my app to the amazing community. Then just throw in an awesome there and a capital letter, and I can add that to my diary. Now from here, I've done a few things. So we can actually flick through this, but I thought actually, if I click on this, it would have overlaid it. So what I've done is played with some variables there. You can see there's a red cross there that I still need to get rid of. So if I actually click into this, I don't need to worry about exiting out of these two because it does it for me now. And of course, we have the menu overlay once more. Now I can move forward to my results. And it shows that I'm happy. So that's happy for my image and for my sentiment. Of course, if I wanted to go back to any of these, I can by using the menu options. I know I can go forward again to my results by using that menu. You'll notice that the menu stays stuck. So until I've finished playing with it, it won't actually collapse. So from here, I can move on to my analysis. Once again, the menu options there. And if I want to now, I might wish to go a step further, which I did, where I created an actual chart analysis to see trends over time. So if we collapse that, we can see that actually my overall positive sentiment is slightly decreasing there. It was at 0.985 and now it's going down to 0.965. You can see that the number's being rounded slightly, so I'm going to sort that in a bit. So we go back to the diary and we add another entry. Click add. Amazing day, everything is brilliant. And click add to my diary. I can click on this. I can see that the sentiment is amazing day. I can go forward and try another one as well. So everything is awesome. Add to my diary. We can, of course, there's still delete function on selectors there. You can see that the number sequence is going up in order. Now, if I go and look at the analysis, you can see there's a bit more of a trend there now. So they're the changes I've made. If you have any questions, if you have any curiosities about how I did this, please do reach out and let me know. And I will be loading this up to the Power Platform Bank at some point in the near future. Thank you for listening.